Welcome to the Auto Drive X. Alright guys, today we're checking out something really exciting, the brand new 2026 Toyota Motorhome. This thing is basically a luxury apartment on wheels, and it's built for families, road trippers, or anyone who just wants to travel with comfort and style. Toyota really stepped it up with this one. Let's start with the exterior. From the front, you get a bold and modern design. The big black mesh grille with chrome accents looks super sharp, and the Toyota badge in the center actually lights up, which gives it that futuristic vibe. The LED headlights are slim, bright, and flow right into the grille for a sleek look. On the sides you'll notice the smooth body lines, tinted panoramic windows, and an automatic sliding entry door with fold-out steps. Around back, the vertical LED taillights keep it looking premium, and there's plenty of storage built into the body. The glossy white paint just makes it pop under the light. Now moving inside, this is where the Toyota Motorhome really shines. It comes with 4 beds, designed super smart to save space. You've got 2 overhead bunks that are perfect for kids or guests, and then 2 lower beds that convert into a lounge or dining area. The materials feel high-end, soft leather seating, wood accents, ambient LED lighting, and big windows that make the cabin bright and airy. There's also a full kitchen with a stove, fridge, and microwave, plus storage everywhere you look. And yeah, you even get a big bathroom at the back with a shower, sink, and toilet, way more spacious than what you normally see in compact motorhomes. Under the hood, Toyota went with a hybrid setup. That means you get plenty of power for the highway, good fuel efficiency for long trips, and lower emissions compared to gas-only RVs. On top of that, you get Toyota's full suite of safety features, driver assists, and of course a big touchscreen infotainment system with navigation and all the modern tech. As for price, Toyota wants this to be competitive. The starting price should be around 75 grand, and a fully loaded version with all the extras might touch $100,000. When you look at the features, the space, and Toyota's reliability, that's actually a solid deal compared to European or American rivals. So, bottom line, the 2026 Toyota Motorhome is stylish, practical, and super comfortable. With 4 beds, a real bathroom, hybrid efficiency, and Toyota's build quality, it's one of the best motorhomes you'll see in this price range. If you love road trips and want to travel in comfort, this might just be the perfect ride.